Stage 1 intense turbos, done. Tick. Very happy with it. This particular car's got 35s and portals on, so it was a low reader.
But it's ended up going 210 at its peak anyway, so.
We're 180% in the usable range, more power. So
of gains, so solid effort by the little Stage 1. That's 25 pound. That has been speed checked at 25 pound, so it's not just getting slapped on. It's actually been checked, which we plan on doing with all of our turbo kits.
Very safe turbine speed. So
yep,
very happy with that.
Been designed for it, so yeah, stoked with it. Tick that off the list. Little Stage 1, Stage 2, 3 and 4 are coming, but obviously
held up. COVID's got us there with just the castings, but I mean, if you are chasing one of these, there's another batch coming through, so I don't know how quick they'll go. The last went, what?
These one went in 2 days. So.
2 days. So there you go, guys. So
get in quick, shoot an email through, and yeah, don't miss out.
Great Australian product.
It's wicked.
It's good.